Yeah, this is the last time I'm longing ETH. ETH is honestly a shit coin at this point. Every single time I take a long on ETH, when it's showing strength, ETH BTC just shits the bed, and I get caught in this long position. Like Bitcoin's showing decent strength, right? And ETH barely even goes up, showing a ton of weakness. This was the ETH setup that I posted in the Pro Discord. I'm currently long ETH here, DCA long with another bid here at the POC. Stop loss on the chart. I want to see higher prices. I want to target this local GP as first take profit. But ETH is just showing so much weakness, so much weakness. If we take a look at Bitcoin here, I am bullish on Bitcoin as long as we hold this previous structure high on the daily time frame. As long as we hold above this level here, I'm going to be expecting higher prices. I don't want to see this previous structure high lost. If we close below here, that's going to be bad news, and I'm really going to be targeting around the 63K level. So we'll see what the end of October brings. I am bullish because it's Q4, but I did take a very small head short here on BTC because we are at the local GP. We're at a daily bearish fair value gap, and we're seeing the oscillator start to flip bearish here on a lower time frame. So, not really betting on this one hitting my full TP. This is like a 1 to 5, 1 to 5 risk to reward. But this is a good hedge, and this is what I recommend for all of you guys to do as well. Don't overexpose yourself. Don't risk 20% of your account in strictly long positions, because if the market takes a fat nuke, which it does time and time again, if you've been in crypto, then 20% of your account is wiped, and that's not fun, right? That's no fun. So what I would recommend is, number one, lower the amount of positions that you're in to reduce risk, but also think about taking some head shorts. For example, I am head short currently on Bitcoin, risking not very much, right? I'm not risking that much, but if this hits my full TP, I'm making back the stop loss on my ETH long. If ETH hits my stop loss, right? If ETH hits my stop loss, I would make it all back on this BTC short. So something to consider. And also, I just learned this from personal experience. Only long coins that are showing local strength in the market. So local strength is strength against Bitcoin. For example, if you see Bitcoin is up 1.5%, but ETH is down for the day, this is weakness, right? You are longing local weakness against Bitcoin, which is not a very fun position to be in, because Bitcoin can go up and ETH can just range as it's ranging. And as soon as Bitcoin takes a dump, now ETH is taking an even fatter dump, right? So you can't win. You can't win when you're longing local strength. So a coin that I'm really liking right now for longs is going to be Solana, right? Solana is showing incredible strength. If you go here, you can see Solana is up almost 4% on the day, while Bitcoin is up 1.5. So we are seeing a lot of strength on Solana. And even if we go to the Sol BTC chart, you can see that it is making higher highs, looking very bullish, very bullish. So if you want to long a coin, look to long ETH on pullback. So this is the level that I have, of course, posted in the Pro Discord as well. This is a very key level, area of interest, lots of price history. We have the midpoint of this local range, and we have the golden pocket fib from this swing low. So if we get bullish divs on a lower time frame, I'll look to long from here. But as you can see, Sol is looking very, very strong, very, very strong. But yeah, this is going to be the last time I'm trading ETH. I can't believe ETH is so lagging compared to Bitcoin. Like, this price action is just not healthy. It's not healthy until we reclaim this area of interest here, our key level right here. ETH is looking pretty weak. So hopefully we get a run up this Q4 and hit our TP, and hopefully we hit new highs, at least going back to 4K here on ETH. But it's just not looking too good. The main thing I'm watching for right now is just for Bitcoin to reach new all-time highs. Okay, if Bitcoin can reach new all-time highs, we're going to see money flow back into Ethereum. We're going to see money flow back into Solana, and all the meme coins under those two ecosystems, and all of the altcoins are going to start pumping again. But we need to see a break of all-time highs. And for the Q4 bull thesis to be valid, in my opinion, we need to see new all-time highs by latest November, right? So ideally, I want to see us hold this previous structure high and continue making higher highs up until a new all-time high. All right, but we're very correlated to the stock market now as well. And anytime the stock market takes a minor dump, crypto as a whole just nukes, man. Just absolutely nukes. So really, I'm betting on SPX continuing to be bullish throughout this Q4. We're going to have to see what happens during the elections. I think the elections is bullish no matter who wins, to be honest. Historically, election season has been very bullish in the 4-year cycle. So we're going to have to see how that plays out. But yeah, these are the two trades that I'm in. I'm head short on BTC. We had some very good entries as well. Big time has been super easy to trade. I made a video last time longing from right here. And took a majority of the profits. Or was it right here? Yeah, I believe it was right here. We took a majority of the profits here at around 30% up. And it's just respecting the hell out of these golden pockets. So if you guys don't know my trading strategy and how I actually trade, make sure to click the first link in the description below to join the pro Discord. You can learn directly from me because my strategy is honestly undefeated. I haven't seen a strategy more consistently profitable than the GP key level confluence. So be sure to click the first link in the description below. But that is it. Yeah, ETH is just a shitcoin, man. I'm done. I'm done long in ETH. I'm done long in it.